All right, so let's go from here and actually kind of transfer over to how this relates to what we're doing today, okay? And the first part of it is that we're actually gonna do kind of a review of how simplifying expressions. I know that Abby, you haven't done it before, and Corish, you haven't used algebra tiles a lot either, have you? Okay, so the good thing about it, I got everybody paired up with actually people that have done it before, so that way they can help you figure it out, okay? The first thing is, somebody explain to me what you do with algebra tiles. Pull out algebra tile and tell me what they are and what they represent. Somebody raise their hand, let me know.
Is this one?
Hold on. Good. Go ahead.
So this is y, and this is y squared, and it just fits all around the edges, so it makes y squared.
Okay, so basically she said that y on one side and y on the other side. So you have this. This is y here. This is y here. Okay? So basically, you know how we've been finding the area? How you find the area?
You times.
Huh?
Multiply the sides.
Multiply the sides, right, good. So length times width, right? So then basically on this is y times y. Y times y is y squared. Yep. Okay, so that's why this tile piece is y squared. Another piece, Anthony, what do you have there? X, hold it up and see what you got.
One's positive, one's negative.
Okay, which one's positive, which one's negative?
Blue's positive, red's negative.
Okay. All right, good, thank you. And we got another one over here, Lamarius. What do you have?
A y squared.
We already did the y squared. You piggyback off. That's what.
XY. Oh.
Did you do y squared? Yes.
Oh, XY did.
There we go. All right, good. Flip it around. Let's see the colors. Green is y. I mean XY. Now, why is it XY? Why is it XY?
I don't know. I forgot. It
Think
looked
about
like.
Why is this XY? Well, how do we get y squared here?
You multiplied to two y's.
Multiply the two y's, which is the two what?
Y's.
The two sides.
Yeah, the two sides.
Okay, all right. So then what is this here then? What's this telling you?
Same thing as the one we multiplied the sides.
Good.
X and Y.
X and Y, good. So that would mean that what? What would be the side lengths of this?
X and Y.
X and Y. X and Y, good. So then show me the X tile again, Anthony. Okay, wow. So what did you notice?
One side, it fits on one side.
Okay.
Pretty much two sides.
Does it fit on the top?
No.
No, why?
Because this side's wide and this one's shorter.
Okay, that one's shorter. The shorter one is the X, the longer one is the Y. Like what Lamarius has, exactly. Okay, he did the Y side. Okay, so we got this one figured out. We got this one. We got another piece, a couple more pieces that we haven't figured out. That we haven't discovered. Okay, yes. What is that one?
X squared.
How's it X squared?
Because you multiplying the two sides.
The two sides. Corice, do you see what he's saying? Okay. Cody, you got it? Abby, do you understand that?
Yes.
I like that you're discovering your pieces there, looking through them there. That's fine. And then you have we already did X, Y, X squared, Y squared, excuse me. And what about these, the small ones? Wait, what do you think?
You said 5 units?
5 units? Why is it 5 units?
5 of these on one of them.
Yes, and Josh is pointing out that normally we don't use the 5 units. We don't say never, but we may. But we haven't been using them. You're right. And the reason why is that we like to use the single unit tiles instead of using other ones. Okay. All right. Yes, Anthony. You got questions?
Is this why we don't use these because they don't fit on none of these? It doesn't go with none of these.
No, the reason why we don't use it because you know how you'll see when we start simplifying and splitting, you can't break those pieces apart. So if you had to subtract from that 5 unit tile,
you have to take all of it away.
You have to take all of it away and then bring out. So you're gonna have to bring out 5 unit tiles anyway, or bring out individual unit tiles anyway.
But seriously, this doesn't fit on any of them.
It doesn't fit on there. That's a good observation. Excellent. So you're picking up on it quick, Abby. Good.
But they fit inside of them.
Inside? What? elaborate on that a little bit.
Like this.
Oh wait, I know how.
He said that you can fit the piece on the inside, but that's true. But we don't know what y squared is worth, right? So that's a good observation. That's good. All right, so let's move on to now. How do we using the mats? These right here are equation mats. Okay, go ahead, explain it. I'm sorry.
The equation map. So like these are like the positives, like the plus signs, and these are negatives. And then this is like the divide line, right? And this is the equal, like if like right here, that's equal.
You're right. So did you get that, Abby? You get that, Corey? Great. Well, so what's in the middle?
The equal.
Equal, good. And then the positive, and we have the negative side, right? All right, good. So tell me, here, since you have the mat right there, if I put this equation down, okay? I'll make it easy for you. First one. X squared plus y squared plus 3x squared. Remember, do I have an equal sign here?
No.
So am I asking you to solve?
Simplify.
Just simplifying. Good. So all we're doing is simplifying. Everybody look at Amber here.
Do these go on this side? Because I get that mixed up sometimes.
Good question. She asking this, does she change sides? Now tell me, you told me what does that middle mean?
Equal.
Equal.
Oh, so
Okay.
this all,
There you go.
yeah, is that?
All right. So what? So
Because you have 1x squared, here's the 1, and it's all positive, so.
So everybody go ahead and do it at your table. Work out the same one. Do this one on the board. Oh, just time out just for a second. Give them a chance to catch up with you. Everybody get their towels out. Corey's. Let Corey's have some of the towels too, so that way he can be an active participant. Come on. Because every group's gonna have a chance to explain. All right, we good? All right, go ahead, Amber.
So this 1x squared, so here's your 1. Then plus y squared, so here's this.
Okay.
And then your 3x squared, so I have 3 right there.
Oh,
But none of them are negative, so I leave them on the color and I leave them on the positive side.
Okay. So now I want you to, on your expression mat, excuse me, on your expression mat, I want you to write what the new expression is.
new expression.
On your expression mat, I want you to write what your new expression is.
Right, what you mean?
So when you're simplifying
This
it,
box?
just write down, you're gonna do written expression. You're gonna write what this new expression, when you simplify it, you rewrite it. What do you write down here? Josh, help you out your partner.
We got it. Can I say it? Because I think I understand it now.
Okay. Go ahead, Abby. You said you got it.
Okay, so you have this one, and then which one's positive and this one's negative?
Well, good question. Which one did you tell Anthony was positive, negative? How do you
This
figure
is
it out?
positive.
Why is it positive?
Because it's purple.
Because it's purple. And what's the negative?
Red.
Red. Red, just think about it. Hot, negative, no,
Okay.
bad, whatever. Okay.
And then you have 4. So 2x and another 2x. No, wait. No, 1x and 1x is 2x. No,
Okay.
what?
You can keep talking.
And then 3x. I don't think that's right. That's not how she explained it.
Okay. All right. Somebody help her out. How about Kiana?
4. Oh. How many like 4x's do you have? Squares. 4. So 4x squares. Square.
Okay, so she said 4x squared plus y squared. Okay, so then remember, we went back and we said, just a quick review, everybody look up, that if you want to go ahead and circle if you need to, or if you have the tiles, you bring the like terms together, right? Remember, simplifying, we want to bring like terms together. So we can circle the x squared, circle the 3x squared, and say, well, these two come together, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
X squared plus 3x squared is how much? 4. Come on. 4x squared. There we go. 4x squared. Do we have anything else to go with the y squared? No. Plus y squared. All we did is simplify. That's simple, okay?